Imagine turning just $100 into a solid foundation for your financial future. It might not seem like much now, but starting small is the key to building wealth over time. With the right moves, that $100 could grow and set you on a path to financial freedom. So, what's the secret? Let's break it down. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of smart money moves that can turn your $100 into something much more. Whether you're looking for low-risk options or ways to diversify, we've got strategies that will make your money work harder for you. You might be thinking, what can $100 really do? Well, the truth is, starting small is the best way to get ahead. It's not about how much you have to start, it's about taking that first step and letting your money grow over time. Starting small is how you build the habit of investing. The more you invest, the more you learn. And over time, that small step becomes a big win. Small amounts can turn into big gains thanks to compound growth. Your money earns more money, and over time, that adds up faster than you think. Don't wait for the perfect amount to start. Whether it's $10 or $100, the best time to invest is now. Every little bit adds up, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the benefits. Smart money move number one, invest in fractional shares. Fractional shares let you buy a piece of expensive stock instead of the whole thing. For example, instead of needing $3,000 for one share of Amazon, you can invest as little as $5 or $10 and still own a part of it. It's an easy way to get in on top companies without needing a ton of cash. With fractional shares, you can own pieces of big names like Amazon or Tesla for as little as $5 or $10. It's a great way to get exposure to top companies without breaking the bank. To get started, apps like Robinhood, Webull, and Cash App make it super easy to buy fractional shares. They're user-friendly, and you can start with as little as $5. Fractional shares are perfect for beginners because they let you invest in big companies without needing a lot of money. You can diversify your portfolio right from the start and learn how the stock market works with minimal risk. Smart money move number two, invest in ETFs, exchange-traded funds. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is like a basket that holds multiple stocks or assets. Instead of buying individual stocks, you can invest in the entire basket, giving you instant diversification and lower risk. ETFs are perfect for beginners because they spread your investment across many companies, reducing the risk. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, you get exposure to a whole range of assets, making your portfolio more balanced and safer. One popular choice is the S&P 500 ETF, which includes 500 of the biggest companies in the US. Or you can look into sector ETFs, like tech or healthcare, to focus on specific industries you're interested in. To buy ETFs, you can use platforms like Robinhood, Webull, or Vanguard. They make it easy to invest in a wide range of ETFs with no or low fees. With just $100, you can start investing in ETFs on platforms like Robinhood or Webull. Many of these platforms have no account minimums and low fees, making it easy and affordable to get started. Smart money move number three, use Robo-Advisors. Robo-Advisors are automated investment services that manage your money for you. You answer a few questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and the Robo-Advisor creates a personalized portfolio, then handles the rest. Robo-Advisors work by asking you a few simple questions about your financial goals and risk level. Based on your answers, they create a diversified portfolio tailored just for you, and then they manage it automatically. Popular Robo-Advisor platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Acorns make it easy to get started with as little as $100. They handle investing for you, so you don't have to worry about picking individual stocks. The biggest perks of Robo-Advisors? They're hands-off, meaning you don't have to manage anything yourself. They automatically handle your investments, and many have low minimums, so you can start with just $100. Smart money move number four, high-interest savings account or CDs. For low-risk options, high-interest savings accounts and CDs are solid choices. They provide steady, predictable growth with minimal risk, perfect for beginners who want to keep things safe while still earning some interest. High-interest savings accounts and CDs work by earning interest in your deposits. While the returns are slower compared to stocks, they're a safe way to grow your money because your principal is guaranteed. No risk of losing money, just steady gradual growth. For higher interest rates, check out online banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, or Capital One 360. These banks often offer much better rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks, helping your money grow faster. For cautious investors, high-interest savings accounts and CDs provide safe, predictable growth. They may not offer huge returns, but they guarantee your money will grow steadily without the risk of losing it. However, it's important to note that some religions prohibit earning or receiving interest on money. So whether you choose this option or not is entirely up to you and your personal beliefs. Smart money move number 5, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest. Instead of a bank being the middleman, you get to play the role of the lender and potentially earn returns on your investment. Some popular platforms for peer-to-peer lending are Lending Club and Prosper. These sites connect you with borrowers and let you earn interest on the money you lend. Peer-to-peer lending offers the potential for higher returns than savings accounts or stocks, but it comes with risks. Borrowers might default on their loans, meaning you could lose some or all your money. It's important to weigh the higher reward against the possibility of risk before jumping in. Peer-to-peer lending is a great option for diversifying your investments. By adding loans to your portfolio, you're not just relying on stocks or bonds. You're spreading your risk across different types of assets, which can help balance out potential losses in other areas. Smart money move number 6, invest in education and self-improvement. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Learning new skills, gaining knowledge, and improving your abilities can open doors to new opportunities and income streams. Whether it's through courses, books, or certifications, investing in your growth pays off in the long run. Examples include online courses, certifications, and books. And the best part? There are plenty of free platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, or YouTube, where you can learn new skills without spending a dime. Investing in yourself opens up new ways to make money. Whether it's learning a new skill for a side hustle, upgrading your qualifications for a higher paying job, or even starting your own business, the knowledge you gain can directly boost your income and career growth. Self-investment has lasting value. The skills, knowledge, and experiences you gain today can pay off for years, giving you the ability to adapt, grow, and succeed in an ever-changing world. It's one of the smartest investments you can make for your future. Now let's quickly recap the smart moves we discussed today. From fractional shares and ETFs to robo-advisors, low-risk savings options, peer-to-peer lending, and even investing in yourself, each of these strategies gives you a way to start building wealth with just $100. The key is to get started, and over time, your money and your skills will grow. Don't wait for the perfect moment or a bigger sum of money. Take action with the $100 you have now. Every small step counts, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see your money growing. Your future self will thank you. Remember, starting small is always better than not starting at all. Even with just $100, you're setting the foundation for something bigger. The key is to start now and let time work its magic. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you plan to start investing with $100. I'd love to hear your plans. Sharing your thoughts might inspire others too.